Hello guys, Tech with Tony here. Right now we are actually going to be driving over to my friend's house to deliver a PC. I'm just going to be grabbing it now. Okay, we have it right here just lying on my bed. Okay, how am I going to pick this up with the camera? Come on. Off we go. Okay. So there's too much. And how am I going to do this? Toss. Place. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to say if that's mostly secure. I don't know, maybe I should put the seatbelt around it. Nah, don't need that. Okay, we're pretty much good to go on the road. Okay, now that we're strapped in, including this PC right here, we are ready to go to my friend's house. Okay, now that we're here, his house is just right across the street over, so now I'm going to have to somehow pick this up and deliver it to him. Come on. Hey, hello, it's me, Tony. Jeez. Hey, can someone open this door for me? Hey. I have your computer cord. Hey, you got it. Can you help me out here? Here. It's fully ready to go. It is. What do you think?
Oh, I saw that video.
Did you now? Oh. Thanks. So I guess it wasn't much of a surprise, was it? Yeah. So yeah, what do you think, Court? I see you got your thing you call a desk going.
Yeah, on the magic cards.
Oh yeah. What do you think?
I think it's really nice. I saw the video. It runs pretty nice.
Yeah, it actually did. It runs better than expected, surprisingly.
Okay. That motherboard.
Oh no, it works.
It works now?
Yeah, it works.
Oh.
Yeah, this entirely thing works. Nothing's wrong with it.
Damn.
I know, right? It just totally works.
Okay, then I guess I just need a monitor now.
You need a monitor now? I got one in the car. Okay, you gotta say thank you, Tony.
Thanks, Tony.
Okay. Okay, so now we have Court, that's him right there, his PC up and running. We have his TV as his monitor for now, and we actually just bought this keyboard at the local computer shop and this mouse like that he had for a while now. You want to do the honors and press the button?
Let's do this.
Yeah, press the button. Ew. I see that we have a blue theme going on. Ooh, oh. RGB. Too many colors, Court. Does your TV automatically turn on if it detects an input or what?
Yeah, press the power.
Ooh, touchscreen. Yeah, what do you think of your whole setup?
It looks really nice.
Yeah. Surprisingly enough, that this whole build didn't cost me too much. Or you either. So yeah, I'm
like 100.
Yeah. Oh, see, Court.
Yeah.
Isn't that great? You have your rig. Are you happy?
Yeah, I can finally play games.
Yeah, it's like unactivated Windows, which is just like you can buy Windows if you want to.
Oh, there's Steam updating.
Yeah, there's Steam updates. Okay, Court. Do you like this whole setup right here?
I really like it a lot.
Oh, okay, good. You give it a nice thumbs up again.